The price of sand is $0.591528 right now, which is 41.8% more than it was 3 months ago. As the market improves over the next 12 months, sand is expected to grow a lot. Right now, the Sandbox is showing signs of going up, with a score of 79 out of 100. The optimistic, it is thought that Sandbox will be worth $1.06 by the end of 2023. In the last 24 hours, the price of the Sandbox has gone up by 8.94%. After going through a bear market, the Sandbox has seen a lot of growth over the past year. That's why people think that the Sandbox will hit a high point of $2.25 in the next few years. Due to the bullish time sand has been going through, investors in the Sandbox have seen returns of over 17.2% on their money this past week. Once we look at the technical signs for sand, we think that there might be a small correction in the next few days. The Sandbox's price is $0.591528 right now, and it's ranked number 67 among all cryptocurrencies. At the moment, there are 2,241,731,926 copies of the Sandbox in circulation, giving the cryptocurrency a market value of $1,324,089,372. The price of the Sandbox has gone up by 8.94% in the last 24 hours. Along with steady growth, the Sandbox has gained 17.2% in the last week. Investors in the Sandbox are happy with the return on their money this week, thanks to this rise. The price of sand has gone up by 27.41% in the last 30 days, adding $0.127257 to its previous value of $0.464271 and raising its market size to $1,324,089,372. If you want to buy the Sandbox right now, you should wait until there is another bear market. In the last 90 days, the price of Sandbox has gone up by 41.8%, worth $0.174371 more than it did before. When would be a good time to buy the Sandbox, sand? After looking at the Sandbox's technical signs, we think there might be a small drop in price over the next few days. Investors should hold off on buying sand until after the drop. Should you buy the Sandbox, sand? Our technical research shows that the Sandbox is a good cryptocurrency to invest in right now, based on the way it is moving. Should you put money into the Sandbox, sand? Based on our price prediction, our research shows that the Sandbox is a good option right now. Will the Sandbox be around in the future? We think that the future looks bright for sand because the Sandbox has strong foundations and a lot of people have invested in this cryptocurrency. How high can the Sandbox get? This year, the Sandbox might cost more than $0.887292 on average. The price of sand will likely go above $4.02 in the next 5 years.